everybody, this is Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mango sorbet using your Ninja Creami from a can of mangoes.
First, let me explain to you who we are. If you're new around here, my name is Sam and I've been teaching people how to cook smart with just kitchen gadgets for over 10 years. In fact, we don't even have an oven or a hob in our kitchen. We are double Sunday Times bestsellers and The Independent calls us the best for beginner cooks. But because we've been creating videos for a while, we've ended up with more than 1,500 recipe videos on our YouTube channel. So what we have done is we have created a recipe index organised by gadget to help you quickly find your next recipe video. You can find them all at KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, and we would be honoured if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipe videos like this. So now let's get back to the food.
So when you get something new, the first thing you do is ask your friends or family that have already got one what to do with it, or what inspires them and what they're into. So I asked my friend Sarah, who has had a Ninja Creami for ages, what her favourite go-to was, and she said to me to grab some cans of fruit that are in syrup and just to load them up into your ice cream cup and freeze them, and then pop them on sorbet the next day and you will have perfect sorbet. And I don't think I can remember the last time I even had a can of fruit, so I just thought, right, that sounds really interesting. I've got to give this a try. So I've got a few to try out. I've got they're all Del Monte. I've got apricot halves here, I've got mango slices, which of course are going to make mango sorbet, and I've got peach slices as well because peach sorbet is also popular. And what I'm loving about this recipe is that it's a one ingredient. You literally can into your machine, letting it freeze, and then the next day on the sorbet setting. Brilliant if you want a no prep option with your ice cream maker, and I just think this is a great idea. So shall we put it to the test and see if it lives up to the hype? Right, where's my mango? Mango slices. And then get yourself your ice cream cup. And is this going to work? Now that is the interesting thing. And I asked her, do you put any sugar in? And she says, no, make sure you get it when it's in the syrup because that becomes your sugar. So let's pop it in, shall we? Oh, look at that. It's not far off the max line there. Oh, I'm impressed. I like that. So I've got a spare lid here. So this baby here is off to the freezer. So we'll see you in 24 hours. So it's been 24 hours now on our mangoes in the freezer. So are they going to make a mango sorbet? When you have to wait 24 hours for something that you're thinking of doing, that you're experimenting with, it's quite a long time to wait to see if it actually works. So fingers crossed, hey? So this is the tub. I'm in it. And this is what it looks like now. So you can see all the liquid around the mangoes. So are we going to take it over? So this is what it looks like close up. So shall we do this? Shall we see if it's up to its reputation, shall we? Is this a real hack or not? Let's see. Because some people have told me to remove the liquid before you do it, and others have told us to keep it in. And the books tell you to keep it in. So I don't know here. So we've got everything that we need. So we've got our jug to add it to. We've got our lid. So let's do this, shall we? So into the jug. Let's do it. So twist it round like you normally would. Turn it on, and instead we're pressing sorbet. And it's done its thing. So shall we see what it's like? Unclip it. Actually, that's really not bad. Actually, it's a lot better than I thought it'd be. And it does actually just look like a sorbet. Oh, I wonder how good it is. So let's see, shall we?
Let me introduce you to Kitchen Gadgets Club. We recommend joining it because it's brilliant for kitchen gadget recipes with step-by-step photos. It's got lots of easy recipes. You can join for as little as £1 a week. It has a library of over 1,000 plus kitchen gadget recipes, and we add 4 new exclusive recipes every single week. Here are just a few of the recipes. Each recipe has both metric and imperial, step-by-step photographs, plenty of useful kitchen gadget advice from experts. Just take a look at some of the photographs. And of course, you can join by heading to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/join. And now, shall we get back to the food?
2-hour Ninja Creami. Pop it on sorbet and see what happens, because it's our very first time making a sorbet. We've used the ice cream setting a lot. We've done lots of respins. We've done lots of mixings. We are ready for the sorbet now. So let's see if this 1-ingredient hack actually works, shall we? What does it taste like, I wonder? The person that recommended it to me has a very sweet tooth, just like me. So, you know, if she's really into it, then it must be pretty good. That's actually really, really nice. I'm going to have this just for me, because nobody else likes it, so. Oh. This can be my tub in the freezer. That is really, really nice. Oh, so take a closer look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, hasn't that mixed well? I think that's really, really impressive. I really do. So I wonder if you could do that with any of those cans with the syrup in. I think you can. So I better try more of them just to see. And next time I'm going to try it with one of those fruit cocktails, because I really like those. And the smaller as well, so the blade will do a really good job of getting around those, whereas mangoes are quite big and bulky when you think of them in a can. But yeah, I'm really impressed by that. Thanks for watching, and now you've seen a glimpse into our ovenless world. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what I call one of our step-by-step instruction videos. If you would rather have short and sweet, don't forget to check out our shorts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to find videos quickly, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, you can see an A to Z list of all our YouTube videos, so you can find videos by Kitchen Gadget. And I'll see you again soon.